Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that each active member of my team also receives card kits of the month for just being on the team. So if you're a customer of mine and think you may miss out on this customer perk by signing up for the starter kit, don't worry. Actually, team members get treated like VIPs by me and get quite a few additional perks. If you've been thinking about joining up for the best deal Stampin' Up! Can offer, like a continuing 20% discount, purchasing products before they're released to the public, and access to a whole lot of free inspiration, please consider joining my team. I will leave a link in the description box below that leads to a page where I can answer all of your questions, and I want to share with you that it is truly an amazing gift to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I am blessed with the most amazing team of kind-hearted, talented Canadian demonstrators. I would love for you to become one of us and experience the joy that we all share for this company and the craft. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. And for those of you outside of Canada, happy October. I took a little break earlier this month to get ready for some upcoming events. You'll see a lot of me in the coming weeks, so I hope you don't get sick of me. This is the card kit for the month of October. We have crumb cake. We have a retired Rings of Love designer series paper, and I'm using the charming sentiments for the sentiment. I have a Night of Navy piece here that is 3 1/4 wide and 4 1/4 tall. The designer series paper is, the large one is 4 by 5 1/4, and then the small one is, I'm measuring this as I'm speaking, 3 inches by 4 inches. And then that little piece of sentiment strip that was 2 1/4 wide and 1 1/4 tall. So basically it's really simple. You're just pasting the bigger piece to the card base, the smaller piece to the mat, and stamp. I ended up stamping with Night of Navy. So I mix and matched this card kit so that you would get different designs. I made sure of it. And of course, I don't put embellishments very often in the card kit. So if you have some embellishments that would go along with that, you're more than welcome to. This is your card kit. You can do what you like with it. And for those of you who are following me just for inspiration, I could see some die cut leaves. I could see some die cut flowers. I could see the paper changed out to whatever designer series paper that you want. Something that is busier in the back and less busy in the front for sure. I am abusing my dimensional adhesive, as you know, that I usually do. I think that I have said in the past that basically I make all my own sales from dimensionals because you gotta love them, and we don't like saggy centers. So we need to put a lot of stability underneath there. If only they had dimensionals for our clothing, correct? All right, so I just adhered that to the front, and then my sentiment. I think this sentiment could look good with it sponged around the edges, or a faux stitch, or maybe even another mat. That looks good. So just some ideas for you to use this kit a little differently. I encourage you to be creative. That is the whole point of these kits. I would love to see what you come up with. You feel free to email me and show me what you've done with the kit. All right, you guys. So unfortunately, I cannot link any of the products except for the stamp set in the description box below, because I said this paper is now retired. I just had lots of it and I wanted to share. I love it. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.